Good evening, everybody. Myself, Dr. Yamini Ramesh, and I welcome you to Homeopathy Talk on this Monday Live. And today I'm very excited to have you all here because we have a very special guest with us. So soon we will take our guest in. Good evening, Dr. Ashika. Good evening, Virtual Homeopathy, Dr. KP, and everybody. So let's talk about today's session. So today we will have a very special guest who is a very good friend of mine and an amazing homeopath with us, Dr. Priyanka. So let's take her in and then I will give a short introduction about her. Hello everybody. I hope you people are fine and doing great in your cases and studies. Dr. Priyanka, I have sent you a request. Can you see that? So let me speak to her. I guess Dr. Priyanka has joined, but I'm not able to see her. So if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the chat section. Today we are going to discuss a very, very important topic, how to differentiate between closely similar remedies who look very similar to each other. Hello, Dr. Priyanka.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening and welcome.
Thank you so much for having me,
Thank you.
and good
Thank you for
evening.
accepting the invitation. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I'm able to hear you, but the only thing is I'm not able to see you. And this happens every time because whenever sir also go live with any of the live session, then the person who is asking question, उसका चेहरा दिखना ही बंद हो जाता है. I don't know what is the reason.
Oh, so the most probable reason could be that the Instagram which you are handling, the Swara page, it might be open in more than two devices. अगर ज़्यादा device में open रहेगा तो maybe there are technical glitches. So try like
Oh,
logging out from one device at a time.
actually, I in my phone I have only only I am only handling it, and maybe
Oh,
in Sir's mobile it could be, but I don't know. At the
it's
moment,
just
I cannot
possibility,
contact.
I'm telling.
Okay, okay, okay. Anyways, not an issue. I am able to hear you clearly, but you are
Okay, great.
able to see me, na?
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to see you. And everybody else is also able to see you, I feel. Guys, can
Okay.
you see both of
Thank.
us? Please tell us.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Namaste. Thank you for joining.
Yes. So I guess you're visible. So let me introduce Dr. Priyanka. Those who don't know introduction at all, most of you know her, but she's a wonderful, wonderful homeopath practicing with Dr. Shekhar Algundi. She's the main force behind Swara Homeo Clinic and Swara Gurukul. She has graduated from Panchashil Homeopathic Medical College, Khamgaon, and right after her graduation, she joined Swara Homeo Clinic to learn under Sir's guidance, Dr. Shekhar's guidance. And her exceptional organizing skills make her the life force behind all activities which you see on national and international level, and especially the most sought after Swara Homeo Gurukul workshop, which is famous everywhere. Most of us have either joined it or heard it or seen it on Instagram and other platforms. It's a wonderful workshop, and Dr. Priyanka mainly organizes that and coordinates all the activities related to Gurukul and clinic. She independently practices at Swara Clinic, and she has also penned down many articles which are available in different journals. You can definitely go and check them. And she also conducts varied medical camps and spreading awareness about homeopathy through different media. She has also she's been involved in charitable operations of Swara Homeo Gurukul from last 13 years. So, Dr. Priyanka, thank you so much for joining, and I'm so happy to have you here. First of all, uh,
I'm also
and
very happy.
आई वाज सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस सेशन. मैं एकदम वेट कर रही थी कि आपके साथ सेशन होगा. आई वाज सो हैप्पी.
My pleasure.
एंड टुडे शी ओनली चोज दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टॉपिक जो हम सबको कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम देता है, या वी आर ऑल कंफ्यूज whenever we are choosing remedies which are very very close to each other, closely similar, which has either similar rubrics, symptoms, और उनके thermal same रहेंगे, or they are from the same group and we are not able to differentiate that whether ये वाला gastropod चुनना है, वो वाला चुनना है, or this fourth row remedy or that third row remedy, which are very very close to like first second column में है, difficult to differentiate. So Dr. Priyanka, please tell us about these closely similar remedies with some examples.
So basically, before starting our conversation, one thing I would like to tell very, very clearly to all our audience that, as I mentioned in the topic also, whatever little bit information I'm going to share is based on the clinical experiences that I have gathered in my personal practice over last 13 years, and whatever experiences I have gathered witnessing Sir's cases. So some of it might, sync with you, and some things might not sync with you because, sometimes we have not come across that aspect of that remedy. So sometimes we feel that, oh, what is she talking about? But after repetitively seeing these shades of the same remedy through a different angle, when two, three people, five, six people to whom we have prescribed the same remedy are talking about that aspect, then it holds true somewhere. And then we have a lot of discussions in the clinic, and then we conclude that yes, this aspect also exists. So please take it with little pinch of salt. Some of the points could be like something new to you, and something like very familiar to us. So let's start this. So I have actually basically jotted down a few of the commonly similar remedies, which many a times on different platforms, maybe webinar, lecture, workshop, or during personal interactions with our colleagues, juniors, seniors, we have come across these remedies as very, very closely similar and we come across them very often. So some of them are like, well talked about differentiation between natrium and magnesium, kali and
Yes.
calcarea. Then kali salts, especially kali salt, kali salt, and pulsatilla. They are very like look alike. Then there is something called as, lot of people talk about respect as a theme. And when respect comes up as a major topic, again, we have sulfur, we have lycopodium, we have silica. They all, come into the same category. Then how to differentiate? Then remedies like graphitis and pulsatilla, because they also have so many similarities. Then how to differentiate? Then certain cross kingdom similarities, something like Rotu and Mollusk, because they both talk about something in and something out. So how to differentiate? Then we have from Rotu carbons and gastropods. Then calcarea, carbon, graphitis. All these remedies are so closely related to each other. Many of our authors have written about them that, when you are going through one remedy case, there are so many aspects of finer aspects of the other remedy come into your way. Like, sometimes you think, why not this? But at the end of the case, when we put both the things together, then those minor things, they are, making the big difference to select the one over the other. So something like that. Then uh, kingdoms like, Hemamelidae, families like Hemamelidae and carbon, they also have so much similarity. Then drug remedies like cannabis and anhelonia, they also have very much similarities. Then the well talked about, so many workshops after workshops. We get this, debate on umbilicary and Logana's. What's the difference? So something, these kind of things I have jotted down on paper. So maybe as time permits, as many remedies as possible, we will try to cover it up, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, please go ahead, because these are all, you rightly said that they are very close remedies. Even if you see, like, if you remember symptoms also, they are very similar in most of the remedies, and it gets very difficult to differentiate them clinically. So
Yes.
maybe if you can start with natrium and magnesium, because that is first and second column. And even I also get confused जब भी मुझे चुनाव होता है if I'm going through the periodic table, and many of the symptoms are similar. So how to
Yeah.
differentiate them?
Yes. So see, basically, these two remedies, which are very, very close to each other, because both belong to third row of the periodic table and they are just one column apart. Natrium belongs to third row and first column, and magnesium third row and second column. So it is like their family tree is same. Both of them will exhibit something related to identity. मेरा अस्तित्व, मेरे अस्तित्व की पहचान. Both will talk about need for love, care and affection. प्यार चाहिए, किसी का साथ चाहिए, someone close I need in my life. What differs basically in natrium and magnesium, you can see is, and this one more thing I would like to talk about. I will uh, I would like to share all this information in very, very raw format, like, how patient talk it, very crude format, like desi language, because that's how we can remember it. So basically, if you have to differentiate between natrium and magnesium, you have
Yeah.
to remember this. Natrium is always like this, and magnesium is always like this. What I mean by that is, natrium always want to be noticed. Look at me,
Mm-hmm.
appreciate me, मुझे प्यार दो, मुझे देखो, मुझे importance दो. I'm there. And magnesium is always like this. You are important. You are needed. You are precious. So you will always find this major difference. Although all other background will be same, but Natrum will be always needing to, have that center of attraction.
Mm-hmm.
I am the one who should be looked after. मुझे देखना चाहिए. I remember one of
Mm-hmm.
the patients. She delivered a baby. She came with the complaint of postpartum depression.
Mm-hmm.
And her statement purely, uh, she says like this, that it's okay that I have just delivered a child, and all of them, including my mother, is just looking after the child. बच्चे ने ये किया क्या, बच्चे ने वो किया क्या, बच्चे ने पॉटी किया क्या, बच्चे ने खाना खाया क्या, and nobody is looking at me. मुझे कोई
Okay.
देख ही नहीं रहा है.
Mm.
I'm so depressed that all the attention is given to the child and not to me. Can you understand that?
Yes.
Just born baby. So
Mm.
Natrum का ये जो पहलू है, this aspect of Natrum is like कभी छुपता नहीं है. This
Mm.
aspect cannot be covered. They always want like this. मुझे attention.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it is their own child. I remember another case. She was a lady of around 45 years, 45 to 50 years. And her
Mm-hmm.
daughter in the teenage, and she is asking her mother, Mother, I like this, can you prepare this? So mother is saying, No, I cannot do that because this is my priority. I like this. When father is bringing some fruits for both of them,
Mm-hmm.
then mother would expect that he should bring and give that thing first to me and then to my child. So
Mm-hmm.
in whichever age group they are,
Mm-hmm.
either they are young or middle age or old, they will always exhibit this quality. That look at me. You will see
Wow.
childlike clinginess in them. Like how two
Mm.
adults are talking and child pokes its nose in between.
Mm.
Mama, mama, daddy, look at me. See what I'm
Yeah.
doing. So exactly that quality you will see, but in an adult form. But when you
Yes.
see that, you will get this vibe. अरे ये इतना बड़ा हुआ है, इसको अभी भी ये चाहिए.
Mm.
Just now she have delivered a baby, and more than her baby, she want attention towards her. What kind of quality is this? As
Yes.
against this, magnesium you will always see as a giver, always like this.
Mm.
What you want? Tell me. My
Mm.
choice does not matter. Your choice matters because you are important for me. As it is, I do not have anybody. I feel like an orphan. I feel like a loner. If you also go, then who is there with me? So
Mm-hmm.
all the attention is diverted to the other person. So you will see this quality clearly in the patients of meditation. They are always the
Mm-hmm.
giver. They will
Wow.
give motherly care to the other person.
Mm.
Magnesium, you will always see whatever they haven't got in their life, they make sure that they will give it to the other person. And
Mm.
especially to the person whom they love, whom they admire, whom they want in their life. But Natrum, as against to that, will always nag that I didn't get this, I didn't get this, I didn't get this. That's
Mm.
why under rubric lamenting, you will get Natrum and not the magnesium.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
This, this is the beauty. They both are so similar, but one is a giver and one is a taker. This is the
Yes.
major difference you will find.
Wow. When you were saying this, I also remember one of my case. And this lady, I always prescribes her Natrum carb, and she always complains me. I mean, because she's Natrum, so this, this whenever I ask her that, how are you emotionally, how are you feeling, what is your, how's your nature, she would always, complains about her husband. That husband is a very practical guy. He's quite like Nakswamika. He said, he never asks me, "तूने खाना खाया कि नहीं?" He never takes me for, dinners and cafes to outside. And doctor, and she always tells me, the doctor, मेरे सर पे हाथ ही नहीं फेरता है वो कभी भी. So, she, she requires that motherly care from the husband as well.
Yes.
And the husband is exactly opposite. So, this is
Toxic
very
combination.
relatable. That, yeah. And like you
Yes.
said, yes, magnesiums are very givers. They are always giving to outward things.
You literally have to ask them, Baba, तुझे life में चाहिए क्या?
हाँ.
Because they always are like, silent. Even if they are suffering, these are the people who will complain at the last that this is happening to them. But
Hmm.
naturally, they will nag so much, they will lament so much. Doctor, you are not looking at me. Doctor, this complaint is not better. So this is the major difference that clinically you will find because rest many of the things match because they are just like a real sister and brother to
Yes.
each other. But this is the major difference clinically to differentiate these two.
Wow. Thank you. I don't think anybody will forget this. So whenever you're
Yes,
dealing with, this third row cases, or if you are confused between natrium and magnesium, please remember this thing. It will really make your life easy to choose the remedies.
yes,
So just listen to the patient, बोल क्या रहे हैं, मतलब क्या है, and then you can choose between both of them. Okay, so let's also talk about um, silica, sulfur, and lycopodium, all soric, and we are always been we don't know which one to give. Very very similar remedies. All have sweet cravings. Especially sulfur and lycopodium to have. They are antisorics also, king and prince of antisoric, and shy remedies. So a lot of similarities. So how do you differentiate them clinically?
yes. So yes, this is another trio that we come across as a differentiating remedies so often because all of them have some similarity because all of them need to excel in life. You know, all of them
Yes.
need that limelight. All three need limelight, but why they need it makes
Hmm.
a difference, and how they behave or how they act to get that limelight is also important. Because
Hmm.
all three of them will talk about I need to, have a position in life. I want to achieve things. I want to be so and so. They are always goal setters in life. You will not find these people just, settling with the lower possible things. They are always like aiming high kind of a people.
Hmm.
But
Yes.
when you ask Silica, why do you need it? Or, what is it that I aim for? Silica will always say that it's a kind of reputation for
Hmm.
Silica. It's always associated with some. They are always keeping a certain kind of role model
Image.
in front of them. Yes, a image, a role model that my uncle have achieved this, and
Hmm.
because of that, in the entire village he has this reputation. So
Hmm.
since childhood, I have strived to achieve that.
Hmm.
So now this is very important that I have strived. So when you ask
Hmm.
them, strived in what way? Like, I was always a sincere student, but whenever teacher used to give me some homework, I was the first person to, without keep the playing time aside, keep the resting time aside. I am the person who will complete that homework as neat and clean possible. I will do
Hmm.
something extra also so that
Hmm.
teacher likes me and I'm the good student. They are the people who always need that A plus.
Hmm.
Your child is a very good child. So it gives them that kind of high that I'm
Hmm.
something. Because
Hmm.
invariably in these people's life we can find that, either their parents or they themselves have set a
Hmm.
high expectation. मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचना है. And that
Hmm.
pinnacle they always find as a summit. that this is where I want to reach. And that is, you will many a times in their cases you will find that this calculative kind of language. Doctor, this is the 100%. I think I have reached around 90, 95. I need to put little more effort to reach that
Mm-hmm.
100%. They always want to be perfect, everything should be spick and spine, so that there would not be anybody who can point at them. You don't know this. Because once that happens, opposite to that, reaching to the high, reaching to the success, they go down the drain. And that's when we see the opposite polarity of silica, which is trembling, which is shaky, who
Mm-hmm.
becomes cold, shivering, and numb. So for
Yes.
silica, reaching to that high is like increasing their reputation. And by that, their own ego, their own identity is satisfied. Because
Mm-hmm.
at the end, for them, where am I and what I have done to reach over there now? Now,
Mm-hmm.
in case of sulfur, which is just the next corner,
Mm-hmm.
one silica, then phosphorus,
Yes.
then sulfur.
Mm.
Just one column in between. And they both belong to row 3 again. So both will talk about the identity, respect. But for sulfur, now it doesn't remain that I have achieved something.
Mm-hmm.
For sulfur, it is, as we can see that, after silica, the column is of phosphorus, which is known for making its identity outside the house.
Mm-hmm.
So inside house is silica. My parents should be happy, my teachers should be happy, my grandparents should be happy that I have achieved this. I'm done. For
Yes.
phosphorus, it is like, it is not only my people at home.
Mm-hmm.
Outside my home, so and so, at some or the other place, distant island also people know me. And I have friends with them. That matters. But in sulfur, it is as good as, they see themselves as a preacher. So it is not only that I have some expectations of somebody else. It is like
Mm-hmm.
I am the king.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever I am saying, सब लोगों ने सुनना चाहिए. All of them
Mm-hmm.
should listen to that. And only then I will be getting that, experience that I'm something, I'm king. Because
Mm-hmm.
for them, reaching to that pinnacle is like I'm on the stage giving the preaching, and all the people are sitting down and listening to my preaching. That's how they
Mm-hmm.
are getting that feeling. That's why they feel that they are something. That's why we call them as a Brahman. Because to do so, there needs a effort, there needs a trial and error. They lack
Mm-hmm.
in this. When you
Right.
ask a silica patient, how do you do this? How will you do this? How will you achieve that? They will give you all the things. Doctor, for this examination, we have 2 days holiday. So I plan it accordingly. I have 12 hours in my hand. I will give 2 hours to this chapter. I will give 1 hour to this chapter. Then I will keep 2 hours for revision. I do first self revision. Then I will ask my mother to take my revision.
Mm-hmm.
So they will give you all the things required to achieve that. But for sulfur, it is just a gift of gap. They are the
Mm-hmm.
master of talking and not doing physically. They are the last person who will toil themselves physically, like Silika. That's why the classical things which we can see read in sulfur is standing aggravate. you know when you are on
Yeah.
your feet, you have to do some work, you have to do exercises, you have to do rehearsal, etc. They are not the people. They will sit and talk because it
Mm-hmm.
is at the fag end of the rope. So there is losing kind of energy, weakness is there. So they are
Mm-hmm.
mentally very sharp. किसी को अपनी बातों से उलझा लेंगे, but physically they are not that strong. So whenever you ask sulfur patient, how will you do that? What's a big deal in that, doctor? We can do it,
mm,
but how? That I can't tell you, but it happens. It's a natural talent which I have in me. So they do not have that breakdown of how to do that. So that's how you will come to know that it is just on the talking term and it doesn't have any base to it. And in terms of lycopodium, again, lycopodium are also people who put lot of effort because they always feel they are chota. They are,
sure.
somebody who are of little value. And
Mm,
they always want to rise in their own eyes.
mhm,
They want to be someone bigger, someone reputed, someone of a higher class, and they strive for that. For them, reaching to that 100% is, somebody is saying good morning to me, somebody is giving
mm,
respect to me, because by that they feel that they are also somebody.
mm,
They
mm,
do not feel like a king, like a sulfur. I am the king, I am the wealthiest person, or I am something, I am shining. They don't want all of that. You just say good morning to them, they are okay. Oh, he recognized. That means I am
mm,
something. I am not that small. People are not looking me as a small, as a dwarf, as a invisible. So again, like silica, lycopodium also puts a lot of effort. But
mhm,
silica want that identity in terms of, I have reached to my highest version. It's like,
mhm.
how in Hindi we say, मेरी लड़ाई खुद से है. Silica
हाँ.
people are
Yes.
that kind of people. They are like, ये मेरा गोल है और मुझे इसको अचीव करना. That's it. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने
Yes.
मुझ पे ये एक्सपेक्टेशन रखा है और मुझे एग्जैक्टली उसको मैच करना है.
Mm,
तो
mm,
Because child will be like, even though getting 98 percentage, they will, with a sad face go to their mother, sorry mama, next time मैं और इससे ज्यादा लाऊंगा. आपको चाहिए था ना मैं 100% लाऊं, मैं next time लाऊंगा. So
mm,
it is always,
mm,
they will not be, happy for themselves because it is not their need. Somebody have put that expectations on them.
mm,
Lycopodium as against that, they always want that, वो स्ट्रेचर उनको बड़ा करना रहता है
mm,
in terms of their own name or in terms of wealth. You will
mm,
see these people telling you, uh, जब भी हमारा बचपन बहुत ही गरीबी में गुजरा. वी वर वेरी पुअर फैमिली.
mm,
So,
mm,
all the people in the village, they used to just neglect us. So my dream since my childhood was to become a big man, to have a big
mhm.
house, to have a big car, so that all the people in the village will give us the respect. So they toil hard for that. I remember
Yes.
one case where, one man to whom we prescribed lycopodium who did very well for his bloating issue. He
Mhm,
didn't even got married. He was 45 years of age. And generally, when such cases come, sir has this, thing to ask. I read on your case sheet that you are still not married. So what is the reason? Because actually, we feel very awkward to ask this, but these are the questions which make, unfold such invisible aspect of people. So when sir
very true.
asked him why, आपने क्यों शादी नहीं की? Why didn't you get married up till now? So what he said that Dr. Saab, I always had this, aim in my life that whatever childhood I have seen, always people used to neglect us. I always felt that I am so invisible, I'm so small that people are so insignificant that people are not noticing me. I always wanted to be someone, and
Mm,
only then I want to get married because only then people will know who I am. So all these years I'm struggling. Just now I have taken my own flat. I want to take my own. I want to purchase my own vehicle. I want to go from here to my village in airplane so that people will know me. That so and so person also is there in our village. Only then they will know that he is a big man. He is a big shot. So
mm,
they even sacrifice their own personal, needs in getting to that big name and fame. So this is the difference clinically. As against sulfur, toiling and all, sacrificing doesn't come in their life. They
Yes.
are the people, jahan se jagah milega, wherever they will get placed, they will just twist their tongue, attract the people, get the clappings and go on.
Yeah.
So they don't want to toil hard to reach there. That is not their story. They will might as well try 10 different things. ये नहीं हो रहा है ना वो करूँ, वो नहीं हो रहा है ना वो करूँ. That's why we call them as jack of all and master of none. As against
Yes.
to that, you will find silica people taking only one thing and master in it, like those people who do PhD, etc. Because there is so much, to do behind one subject. So only these kind of people can opt these kind of degrees.
Yes. Yes. And that's why I guess sulfur has this rubric foolish ego. Because
Yes.
it's not, they don't have the persistence to, to do that, but just want some sort of attention. And that's all. They're done.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Beautifully have differentiated all three. So when we are talking of sulfur and silica already, I also want to ask
Hmm.
you how to differentiate carbons and silicia.
Yes. So this is also a beautiful differentiation because they just have their position one above and one down, and
Yes,
both
second.
of them, yes, carbon belongs to the second row, 10th column, and silica belongs to the third row and 10th column. So many a times we ask this question, practice while practicing sensation method. What is your experience physically on your hands, legs, back, body, and both of them will talk about the coldness, the shivering, the numbness, the frail nerves, and then if we are not going in a proper direction, like after getting the emotions, then we try to explore delusion first, because after that only kingdom differentiation.
Mm-hmm.
But some people have this idea of directly jumping to the experience. They take the
Yes.
situation, what was it, आपका अनुभव क्या था? So that is the time when you get the anubhav, you get the experience, but at the end you don't know where to prescribe. So this is my sincere request. Please, delusion level, don't cross it just like that, because that is a very very valuable level, because such a potential to differentiate kingdoms and even rows and columns in that level, because that will give you a proper roadmap where exactly to go. And even though you are getting the experience, you will not know if you do not have the value. So in carbon and silica, we have similar experiences, but the major difference is in carbon, you will always get this thing, some aspect of in and out, in and out. They will always talk about a cozy place, a place of
Mm.
security, but
Yes.
it's a time to expose yourself. Am I ready? क्या मैं सक्षम हूँ बाहर जाने के लिए? अंदर तो
Mm.
बहुत ही कोजी लग रहा है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है. दिस इज लाइक अ होम टू, बट now it's time to go out. How long can I stay inside? I need to go out. You will always find this aspect in their life story. They are always in that limbo, in that on that boundary, that this inside is cozy, but how long? Want to go outside, but am I ready?
Yes.
So, along with this trembling and coldness and weakness, which both have this aspect of inside outside, that dilemma will not be there in silica. Instead, in silica, it is all about how I can be a best version of myself, how I can
Yes.
excel my subject, which tuition teacher I should join,
Mm.
which way I should do my rehearsals, because it is nowhere, that dilemma, that in and out. They are already out. Now it's time to sharpen and show how shiny I am. That is one aspect. Another aspect is for carbon, it is all about, whenever you ask them, when do you get this jittery nerves, this coldness, this shivering, this blankness? Again, blankness, both of them have. Carbon also have and silica also have. But this cross question, when you ask, when do you get blank? Silica, it is invariably when they are exposed to something which they are not prepared for, or where it's like उनको जब उनका चेहरा सामने बताते हैं ना, this is you. That time they get like this, completely blank when they
Yes.
are standing in front of public, even though they have practiced 100 times. When they are exposed to public, for them the biggest question is what they will think about me, because it is
Hmm.
always, मेरा चेहरा कैसा दिख रहा है, how am I looking, am I perfect, is my dressing sense perfect, am I standing perfect, is my voice modulation perfect. They will rehearse it in front of the mirror, in front of their parents. मुझे 4 कदम जाके वहां पे खड़े रहना है, फिर मुझे राइट हाथ से माइक लेना है, फिर मुझे लेफ्ट हाथ से ऐसा करना है. It is all the things are practiced. But when they go in front of the crowd, for them the biggest question is सामने वाला मेरे लिए क्या सोच रहा होगा. And in that bargain, whatever they have rehearsed get rubbed out for that time being.
Yes.
So that is the time when you get all this experience. But for carbon, it is always when they are put to some situation where they have to take charge of their life.
Mm-hmm.
Say, for example, if you see Kalkeria cars for that matter, whenever you will
Mm-hmm.
see that jitteriness, nervousness, whenever they are put to some test and they have to take decision, this or that,
Mm-hmm.
are you ready or are you not ready? Should I take that decision? Should I take up that job? Should I
Mm-hmm.
go to this college and leave the house? Whenever they have to take the lead from one to other thing, or whenever they have to choose this or that, it's a kind of big challenge for these people, because their life itself is in a dilemma. Am I inside or am I outside?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever they have to take this mental thing, let do I have to go for it, or should I wait? Am I ready or am I not ready? So for them, it is not at all a scenario that what other person is thinking about me. That is very, very far off. For them, am I ready or not ready? Can I handle or not handle? वो खुद में इतने उलझे हुए रहते हैं कि
Mm-hmm.
सामने वाला दिमाग में ही नहीं आता. So this is a major
Right.
difference between these two remedies.
Yes. Can we say that the silica has more self-worth and stability than carbons because they are very
Yes,
clingy and dependent to to mother or parents or whoever is protecting them. And silica is already out, like you said, that they are already exposed.
yes, yes. We can say
It
that.
remembers. Yes. Yes. Please go ahead.
Yes. So I think one more aspect of these two remedies is you will always find this which I have already told you, the idea of expectations. Invariable in all silica patients, you will find this subtle idea that they are chasing some kind of thing which you will
Yeah.
not find in carbon type of remedy. वो खुद में ही उलझे हैं. They are, in their self dilemma. They are fighting for their self dilemma. Where am I?
Hmm.
Where is, what is my value in life?
Yes.
So it is not about my identity or my respect. It is about, do I exist, as a person, and what are my values? They always try for that.
ऑडियो
Hello.
में. हाँ, अभी ठीक है. There was some beep sort of sound, and it's better now. It's not better.
Okay.
Yes. 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 So there are so many carbon remedies like, calcarea carb, or kali carb, or other like carbo veg, carbo animalis. Especially when we talk about calcarea carb and kali carb, they come very close to other carbon remedies like graphitis and petroleum, especially graphitis. So how to differentiate both of them? Because
See,
एक तो दोनों कार्बन भी है.
correct. Exactly. So likewise, I told you about natrum and magnesium.
Yeah.
Now this is little reverse. Kali carb is always like this, and calcarea carb is always like this. It is very
Okay.
funny because you can remember Kali carb as a mineral version of beast of burden, like how we
Okay.
call na black defloratum and all. सबका बोझा ढोते उस तरह का फीलिंग
Yeah.
आता है इनका केस लेते वक्त. So Kali carb is like that. You will always find them worried. बच्चे ने खाना खाया क्या, हस्बैंड ने टिफिन लेके गया क्या, आज काम वाली आने वाली है कि नहीं आने वाली, आज नल को पानी आने वाला है कि नहीं आने वाला है, सास को दवाई दी क्या, ससुर को नाश्ता दिया क्या. So
Yes.
they will be carrying all the burden on their shoulders all the time, and they are the people who actually sacrifice their whole life for family. Sometimes you feel like while listening to their stories to just wake them up, what are you doing, and act against to calcarea carb. These people are so selfish. They always want that protective cover. You tell me, my father
Yes.
is protective cover, my elder brother is my protective cover, and you tell me how to do. You should have told me that this job you have to take. You should have told me that this career is right for you. So they are always always like a selfish kind of people. They always want that covering, they always want that protection from somebody, so that they are safe and secure and cozy inside.
Yes.
Other than that, Kali carb, you will find them all over the place, just doing things for them, their own family members, their children's. If they are less, then they will also go for their neighbors. आज neighbor को डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना है, उसके बेटे की शादी है, उसकी खरीदी करनी है. So you will find them everywhere toiling. And then मेरा जोड़ों में दर्द हो रहा है. Then they will come that my family members are not listening to me. मैंने एक काम मेरे बेटे को बोला, वो 4-4 दिन होता नहीं है. And then that classic thing, वो एक झूठ मूठ का जो गुस्सा रहता है कि आप मेरे पति तो कुछ करते ही नहीं, मेरे बच्चे तो कुछ करते ही नहीं है. Like how Dr. Pathak sir writes, they quarrel with their own bread and butter.
Yes.
बट वो जो गुस्सा रहता है वो एकदम नाइट्रिक एसिड वाला गुस्सा नहीं रहता है कि तोड़ दो सब, बस हो गया, मैं इनका मुंह नहीं देखने वाली. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग शी इज अगेन गोइंग टू गेट अप एंड कुक द ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर एवरीबडी एंड गोइंग टू सर्व, बिकॉज इट इज just time being, because they are the people who need these people, they love these people, and they are dependent on these people.
Yes.
So by
Many of our Indian mothers who would do all the work with some sort of kurkur that you're not doing this, you're not doing this, but they will handle everything at home. So I'll just give you an example. It just reminds me, because आज ही क्या हुआ, at 7:30 I had an appointment of one of my patients. She is a Kalika basically. So when I was taking the previous patient, it took little longer. So 7:45 हो गया. तो जैसे पेशेंट का हुआ, she came in and she said, I'll come tomorrow, doctor, because मेरे घर पे गेस्ट आए हुए हैं, I have to attend them. I said, your husband and other people should be there, no? So it's okay, let them be. We will just finish in, because it was a follow-up. I said, we'll just finish in 10-15 minutes, मैं आपको free कर दूंगी. So she said, no doctor, it will take time. और फिर क्या होता है ना कि अगर मैं नहीं रहूँ तो how they will handle. And then when she left, she was angry on mother-in-law. And she said, आप एक भी handle नहीं कर सकते हो, but मुझे तो आना ही पड़ेगा. So she just left because she didn't want to, just give up this responsibility. And the main
Yes.
complaint she had is the sleeplessness after midnight, which is a very typical symptom of Kali.
Classical.
Because they're stressed
Classical.
all the time, and it just takes away their sleep. Chain when sab kuch.
Yes. 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 Absolutely. And these are the people, na, this Kali type of people. They have, which is, you will find this very, very strange. This is like a USP of them,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
they are very close to their mother-in-law. You will
Yeah.
find because the reason behind that is she is the lady who is like, precursor to her. She knows who all are the relatives. She knows
Yeah.
किसके घर पे क्या देना है. She knows कौन से फंक्शन में कैसा करना है, कितने गेस्ट आने वाले हैं, उनका खाना किस तरह से बनना चाहिए. So she is like, the master, and this lady, the patient of ours, Kali Karb, is like a follower to her. मम्मी जी आप मुझे बताइए क्या करना है, मम्मी जी आप बताएंगे तो वैसे मैं करूंगी. And when this mummy ji passes away, she goes into complete depression. More than her husband, she is connected to mother-in-law because she is the person who have trained her in a certain way. And Kali always need that training. सुबह 9 बजे
Hmm.
ये करना है,
Yes.
बारिश आने से पहले ये सामान भरना है,
Hmm.
रात को इतने बजे खाने को बैठना है. सो दे आर द पीपल हु आर लाइक, पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी जो चलाते हैं ना, मेरे सास ने
Yes.
किया, मेरे सास की सास ने किया था, मैं उसको कर रही हूँ. भाई क्यों कर रही है मुझे पता नहीं, उसने किया था. ये हमारी
Hmm.
परंपरा है. सो दीज आर द
Yes.
पीपल हु फॉलो दैट परंपरा, because the main thing behind that is, whenever the parampara changes or the thought of changing the parampara comes, it's like losing your that support, because that gives you direction, ऐसे करना है. And when you are opposed to that direction, then where should I go? I
Yes.
don't know how to handle that.
Yes.
So that's why एक दिन मेड नहीं आई तो these people, all the restlessness, anxiety, अरे इतने मेहमान आने वाले, मैं कैसे करूंगी, पता नहीं, ये वो, पानी नहीं आने वाला है, बाप रे, एक दिन पानी नहीं आने वाला है, चम्मच तक भर के रखेंगे, वाटी तक भर के रखेंगे, अरे पानी खत्म हो गया तो. So they are the people, they cannot handle uncertainties. That's why we see them under the rubric of routinistic, dogmatic, like, very, very नाक के सामने चलने वाले लोग. उनको नहीं पता चलता है दूसरा रूट लिया तो कैसे जाने का.
Hmm. True. True. Yes. Beautiful. One more remedy which come very close to Kalika when we are talking about it is Pulsatilla,
Yes.
which is also
Yes.
psychotic and from another kingdom. So please tell us about that.
Yes, these two remedies are like, sister concerns to each other, because so many things are matching. Pulsatilla you will always find their place is always well within the family. उनके cases में भी you will always find that, mother-in-law, husband, बच्चे, ये सब आपको मतलब पूरे जो क्या बोलेंगे प्यादे है केस में, वो पूरे सब सेम ही दिखेंगे.
Well, little.
What will change is, in Kali Karb, you will find that I am doing something to them, and along with that, at the same time, I need something from them. I need their attention. I need my husband to, come with me to the vegetable shop. He should tell me which saree looks good on me. Or he should, know to which doctor I am going. So her needs are very simple, but they are the needs for her. That is the reality for her. As against to that, you will see in Pulsatilla, Pulsatilla's need are more like a baby need. छोटा बच्चा रहता है ना, like very छोटा toddler type. That's why Pulsatilla belongs to subclass 1. This new concept has made so much of sense, They are belonging to subclass 1 and they are very primitive. छोटे बच्चे के जैसे रहते हैं. You tell them,
Hmm.
oh, you're so sweet. Even if she's a 35-year-old lady, she will be on the seventh heaven. That is
Yes.
done for her. You have made her day. But for Kali, that is not enough. That doesn't fall into their radar that you are you are so sweet. They
Hmm.
don't want, they are adult, they are from super class 4. They want that
Hmm.
balance, they want that stability. भाई तूने अपना लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कराया कि नहीं कराया?
Yes. Yes.
That is their place. तो तुम उनको बाबू सोना करके नहीं रिझा सकते हो.
हाँ.
For them make happy, they need that life insurance, they need that medical checkup, they need that doctor के पास लेके जाओ, they need that बच्चों को अच्छे घर में शादी करके देनी है, आपका कितना उसमें हाथ है as a husband. So for
Yes.
them these are the needs. So you will clearly find the difference between the two stories.
Yes.
Earlier what we used to look at it as a ये भी रो रही है वो भी रो रही है.
Yes.
Are crying na, but one is crying for roti kapda makan ka issue,
Hmm.
and one is crying for that मुझे देखा नहीं, मुझे प्यार नहीं किया, या फिर मुझसे गुस्से से बात की, या मुझसे अलग तरह से देखा, मुझसे अलग
Hmm.
से बात की, वो मुझे चुभा. उनका रोटी कपड़े मकान का इशू ही नहीं आता है.
Right.
And
Right.
if आता है, because they belong to that age group, as soon as you start conversing with them and ask them basically, बाबा तुझे कौन सी बात लगी वो किस्से में, what exactly has affected you, you will not find वो रोटी कपड़े मकान का issue, you will find the issue that he didn't speak well with me, his voice tone was not proper, I felt so bad, doctor, it hurt me so bad. मेरे दिल में इतना चुभा जैसे किसी ने चाकू पोंछ दिया, जैसे किसी ने पिन मार दिया. But
Hmm.
you will find that, oh my God, I can't even think, doctor, that that day I saw a dream that my husband died. I was completely numb. I felt as though
Hmm.
my backbone has broken because it's a
Hmm.
structural issue.
Yes.
For them, it is always like collapse, टूट गया, बिखर गया. But as against that in Pulsatilla, it is just belonging to Ranunculaceae family. For them, it is मुझे respect नहीं दिया, मेरा आदर नहीं किया. For them, that matters. काली को वो मैटर नहीं करता है. वो तो खुद को सैक्रिफाइस करके करते ही रहते. They are
Hmm.
more physically, like a doers. But Pulsatilla
Yes.
are like the soft, gentle, girly type, पापा की परी type,
Yes.
वैसे.
Right. And very morbidly sensitive.
Yes.
छोटा सा
छोटे
भी
छोटे.
कुछ चुप जाएगा.
Yes.
Right. Right. Thank you. Dr. Sonali is asking, can you please explain a little bit about graphitis? Because they are also fastidious and anxious.
Yes. This remedy is such a beautiful gem, and many a times in practice, we have prescribed Pulsatilla over graphite, and in some third or fourth or fifth follow-up, when Pulsatilla is not doing any good, that time retrospectively, when we study the cases, we come to the graphitis, because both of them are closely similar. And graphitis in particular, as we see, again, it's a carbon. And in carbon, beautifully, you will always see these two states. They are
Okay.
dull, they are slow, they are lethargic, they are like, dumb, बैठे हुए, inert, but they are the same people when they are in their next phase. Active, chulbule, dancing, bubbly, chirpy, doers, taking things in their hands, taking reins in their hands, and doing things. So you will see specifically this active part of carbon in graphitis. That's why you can see in graphitis that they are so much, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. एक ऐसी औरत, I remember one case, she was continuously telling, डॉक्टर हमें बचपन से हमारे मम्मी डैडी ने ऐसा बड़ा किया है, मिलिट्री टाइप ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. आप नहा के आ रहे हो, आपका टॉवल शुड बी एट द सर्टेन प्लेस, उसको वहां पे सुखाने के लिए रखना है. आपका चाय का कप यहाँ पे रखना है सिंक के अंदर, आपको ऐसा करना है, आपको वैसा करना है. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड टू दिस हाउस, मेरा हस्बैंड आता है नहा के और अपना टॉवल बिस्तर पे फेंक देता है. एंड दैट टाइम आई गेट सो एजिटेटेड, हाउ कैन दिस हैपन? This is not the way to do it. And how, how much I have to do. I have to do this also, that also, that also. And then I get drained out, doctor. I get exhausted. मेरे में जान ही नहीं बचती है. तो ये यूएसपी है कार्बन का. एक साइड उनको वो बहुत ऐसे एजिटेटेड रहते हैं, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, फास्ट करना है. ग्राफाइटिस का अदर पोलैरिटी इज ऑलवेज फास्ट, क्विक, फास्टिडियस. ये भी करूंगी, वो भी करूंगी, अच्छा करूंगी, सब करना है. एंड वो करने के चक्कर में द अदर पोलैरिटी कम्स इज दे कंप्लीटली गेट ड्रेन्ड आउट. ऐसा लगता है डॉक्टर शरीर में जान ही नहीं बची है, निचोड़ लिया पूरा शरीर को, बस सो जाओ अब. तो वो इनर्ट एस्पेक्ट यू कैन सी. एंड आफ्टर दैट अगेन दे बिकम एक्टिव. सो दे यूज दिस टिपिकल वर्ड फॉर देम एंड दैट इज रिचार्ज. डॉक्टर मैं रिचार्ज हो जाती हूँ, मैं सो जाती हूँ, सोने के बाद मैं रिचार्ज हो जाती हूँ, मैं वापस काम करने के लिए लगती हूँ, मैं ये करती हूँ, मैं वो करती हूँ. सो another thing which I would like to specifically add it over here is this graphitis as a remedy and calcarea carb, because in calcarea carb also this carbon aspect is there. They run so parallel to each other, because in graphitis also you will find their life space in between द फैमिली मेंबर्स. हस्बैंड ने ऐसे किया, बच्चों ने ऐसे किया, मुझे ये सब करना पड़ता है. इशू वही है, फैमिली ड्रामा. बट इन कैलकेरिया द ड्रामा, इवन दो पीपल आर सेम, बट योर वर्जन इज how I am so well secured because of these people that things are not directly coming to me. My father is there to take the responsibility. My father is there to pay my bills. My big brother is there. If somebody is going to fight with me, my big brother will handle that situation. So for calcarea carb, there is always a need for this cover, this shield, this protective layer, in terms of father, in terms of big brother, in terms of uncle, in terms of mama, in terms of guru. And you will always find, I don't know why, but male gender as a cover. Many a time.
Okay.
Very few, hardly 1% people will type, my mother is my, I look up to my mother for this need. They always talk about this male type of, because we have actually asked people, why not this person? Why not your mother? Why your father? Because father is strong. This is another aspect for calcarea carb. Strong and weak. They always find strong cover. That's why, again, calcarea carb comes from concholine, middle layer. So for them, that outer cover has to be stronger and stronger and stronger. Only then that inner soft thing will be saved. So they always look for a strong and long-lasting protection. So always, that's why we look for this male type of uncle, father, big brother, mama, guru type of figure for their protection. But in graphitis, beautifully, you will not find this need per se. That मुझे उसकी जरूरत है to take the decision, to be my cover. In their cases also, you will find this aspect of father. Father is a very important thing for graphitis also. In their cases, you will invariably find the importance of father in their cases. But for them, father is always a person who will give you the values of life. फादर ने मुझे बताया कि हम चौहान घराने से बिलोंग करते हैं और हम ऐसे काम करते हैं, हमारा समाज ऐसे चलता है. कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आई तो हम उसे ऐसे हैंडल करते हैं. सो इट इज लाइक टू टीच अ वे ऑफ लाइफ which is as a natural course, as a like how a father makes your base of life. But for Kalki, it is like whenever I'm facing something odd, I run to that protection. Whenever I'm facing some danger, I know that I'm unequipped, I run for that protection. And I I will seek the answers from that protection. Now you tell me what I should do because you are experienced. You tell me, should I do this or should I do that? Because without taking your acknowledgement, if I do certain thing and if I go wrong, then I can't handle that. I go numb, I go cold. So better you tell me so that I am safe and secured that this is the right path.
Yes. Yes. Amazing. And beautifully you said that these graphitis people, most of times they say that I need recharge, I will be recharged if I take a sleep. So if we see, if we relate this to the use of graphitis, it is generally used for lithium batteries, and it actually makes the battery rechargeable. Otherwise it's not possible only with lithium or lithium carbonate. So that is, and see how beautifully it connects at the deeper level with the patients. Thank you.
True,
Thank
true.
you so much for differentiating. So, we have very less time, but I will ask only two questions because we have done a lot of differentiation in mineral kingdom, closely related remedies. But I would want to ask you about drug remedies, because in drug remedies also it's very, very confusing. So, the cannabis and halonium, so all come very close to each other. So, what are your experiences with them?
Yes, yes. This is really a beautiful understanding because as we discuss cases in our clinic, which especially when Sir is around, the explanation which Sir gives is really mind blowing and actually it clears a lot of our doubts. Because as we have termed them as a drug remedies, so all of them has this drug like state, you know uh,
Yes.
even it is hemamelidae or anhelonium or even opium. So basic difference, if you can see, hemamelidae belongs to, again, superclass 2, subclass 2
True.
of
Yeah.
plant kingdom. Then anhelonium belongs to Caryophyllae, cactus
Hmm.
type of people. They come in
Yes.
superclass 3 under subclass 3 of plant family. And
Yes.
opium, again, it belongs to subclass 1,
Hmm.
sub 1 of the plant kingdom. So even though all three are drug-like remedies, they have their responses different.
Hmm.
Now, what I mean by that? See, all of these people, the opium, the cannabis type, and the anhelonium, all of them actually want to be free. All of
Yes.
them actually are. They actually talk about certain kind of boundaries,
Hmm.
and they want to go out of that boundary.
Yes.
Now, in opium, you will see that when they say that I want to, this is too much for me. Because from the eyes of opium, the world is harsh, the world is hell. ये एकदम जहन्नुम है, यहाँ पे रहना ही नहीं. This is too much. This is too harsh. So what
Hmm.
I do is I take all the means to go to the other world. The
Yes.
world where everything is at peace, heavenly, where I get the experience of, that I am completely numb, कुछ है ही नहीं.
Yes.
And that's why they take the doors like meditation, like
Hmm.
sleep, or like certain kind of drug addictions. Now, drug
Okay.
addictions are again common in all these three people: opium,
Mm-hmm.
cannabis-like, and holonium-like. But for opium, taking those drug or um following certain kind of group of people for meditating or sleeping, what they actually want is to cut off this harsh world, this hell like
Mm-hmm.
world. ये जहन्नुम से मुझे निकलना है, मुझे उधर
Mm-hmm.
जाना है. हरे राम हरे
Yes.
कृष्ण, मुझे अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे शांत लग रहा है. आई एम नम्ब, आई एम एट पीस.
Mm-hmm.
जैसे ही आंखें खोलती हूँ, अरे बाप रे, ये तो मुझसे नहीं सहन हो रहा है. Again, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna in another
Hmm.
world. So for them, many a time this, following certain kind of ritual or taking a drug or sleeping is actually a door to go to that another world, which is a good world where you
Yes.
can live. Because यहाँ पे जीना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Hmm.
Now when
Yes.
we go to Hema Malide type of people, Hema Malide, they always feel that they have been bottled. That's why you will find, delusion soda water bottle he is. You find
Yes.
two remedies, cannabis and another is argentum nitricum. Maybe someday we will talk about argentum nitricum. But for cannabis, it is all about मुझे bottled up कर लिया, मुझे ना किसी चीज में ठूस के भर दिया गया है. They
Hmm.
always feel like I am being put into some small space.
Yes.
Now, don't forget, as we talked, super class 2 is always about in and out.
Yes.
Carbon also belongs to the super class 2. I'm so sorry. Again, in and out. So here also in Hema Malide, they have been put in.
Hmm.
Many times people will give you this expression कि अरे बाप रे ऐसा लग रहा है कि tons and tons of bricks are there on me. मुझे दबा रहे,
Hmm.
दबा दिया गया. मुझे मेरे सर के ऊपर बड़ा सूटकेस रख दिया, मुझे दबा दिया गया. And against to that, what I want is, मुझे रिलीज होना है. सोडा वाटर बॉटल को क्या होता है, ओपन करते फिज ओपन होता है पूरा. सो दे टॉक अबाउट दिस. ऐसा उनका डायरेक्शन इज ऐसा ऊपर. दैट्स व्हाई दे टॉक अबाउट फीलिंग लाइट लाइक अ पेपर. इट इज flying. Again, they will give you idea of flying.
Yes.
So for them, it is only about ये जो bottled position है ना, यहाँ से निकलना है. Because अंदर जब रहते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है बहुत हेवी हो गया है, बहुत डल हो गया है. सेंसेस को कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. They are the sensory kind of people. अंदर बहुत डल लग रहा है. बाहर जाऊंगी तो अरे बाप रे इतना सुंदर है सब, ये लैंडस्केप कितना सुंदर है. Such a beautiful color, such a beautiful vision. That's what we read in Cannabis Indica. They have beautiful visions because these are the sensory stimulation kind of people, which you will not see in opium type of people. They always want to just cut off this harsh world. वहां पे जाना है, शांत फील करना है, नम फील करना है. लेकिन for Hema Malide like people, going out is for getting sensory stimulation. They always different colors, different textures, different places. That's why they like traveling, because traveling is again releasing themselves. They always talk about release. मुझे मुक्त होना है. यहाँ पे बहुत बोझा लगता है. यहाँ पे ऐसा लगता है कि अरे बाप रे कितना बोझा लेके चल रहा हूँ. ऐसा लगता है इसको निकाल दूं ये बोझे को, हल्का लगता है. I will feel very light like a paper, light like a cotton. ऐसे कपास के जैसा लगता है मुझे in their own. So for them it is all about heavy और वो light होना है, and with that sensory stimulation. Come to Anholinium, which belongs to superclass 3, subclass 3 of the plant kingdom, Caryophyllae. Again, now these people will talk about boundary, कि मुझे एक दायरे के अंदर रखा हुआ है. These people also will talk about the boundary. ऐसा लगता है कि there is some limitation, there is some restricted area in which I have been put in. And what I want is I need to go out. मुझे यहाँ से बाहर निकलना है, लेकिन बाहर किस तरह से निकलना है? It is not only going like this, puss and then paper के जैसा लग रहा है, which we see in Hema Malide. Going up like a soda water bottle का फिल्स खोल दिया, ऊपर गए, free, release हो गए. It is not like that. Anholonium is like अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. मुझे पूरे ब्रह्मांड में विलीन होना है. मतलब लास्ट भी है ना बाउंड्री, जहां पे पूरा यूनिवर्स मीट होता है, मुझे उधर तक जाना है, मुझे फैलना है. You will find this world, I want to expand expand. You will not find this in cannabis type of people. They only want to come out. मुझे बाहर निकालना है, मुझे हल्का feel करना है. But in Himalayan type, they want to enlarge themselves. And enlarge to what extent? Enlarge to the extent that I am occupying the complete universe. मैं ही ब्रह्म हूँ, मैं ही universe हूँ, universe ही मैं हूँ. There is no difference between you and me. There is no difference between this chair and myself. We both are together. They talk about merging. एक दूसरे के अंदर चले गए. There is no boundary. Boundaries has been dissolved. When you take this peyote, the main, the native name of this enholonium, it's a kind of a drink. So when people took that, they actually felt that they are outside of this boundary of their body. Body completely dissolved. So your soul is, everywhere. If you are sitting here, I remember one patient, he was telling that now, doctor, I'm sitting here in front of you, but I experience in that expanding that I'm there also on the ceiling. I'm here also in one corner of the room, and I'm there also in that corner of the room. So I am everywhere in this room. They talk about omnipotence.
Yes, being one with universe.
Yes. So this is very important because the intensity and the degree of that freeness is very, very important. So when you are just satisfied with हाँ उनको free होना है, उनको boundary से बाहर निकलना है, बस done. You will not get these beauties. You need to ask them, tell about this boundary से बाहर निकलना है, what way?
Yes.
What do you mean by that? And only then you will appreciate what is the level of dissolvement of this boundary they want.
Yes. Beautiful. Thank you so much. It is amazing, Dr. Priyanka. So one last question. I just don't want to leave you and let you go from here, but we also have this limitation of time. That's this last question. Yeah. But we all don't want to let you go because I can see a lot of messages coming, hearts coming up that you're amazing. It's so good to talk to you about this differentiation. But one last thing which I want to ask you is how to differentiate the Loganiaceae and Umbelliferum. This is also one very commonly, common prescription, I would say. Both the families, day-to-day thing.
Very, very much, very much. Even just 2 days back, we had a beautiful case of this, one of the family. And again, while discussing, we boiled down to again this Loganaceae and Umbelliferum. So the basic difference I will tell you, basic, forget about any scientific thing. See, n number of time in our homeopathic career, we have heard that, gelsemium is a very good remedy for examination funk, anticipatory anxiety, anticipatory diarrhea. Now, what is the meaning of anticipation? Anticipation means this moment. क्या होगा? When you are chewing your nails, a crunch situation.
Yes.
That patient, one of the patient was giving the example that डॉक्टर साहब वो वाला मोमेंट जब आता है ना केबीसी में, जब आपने काफी सारे पड़ाव आगे बढ़ चुके और अभी 50 लाख का क्वेश्चन है, ये प्रश्न बराबर उत्तर दिया तो 50 लाख मिलने वाले. And Amitabh Bachchan asked the question, and before that contestant giving the answer, they give a break.
Yes.
That moment, मेरे को ना टॉयलेट में भागना पड़ता है. When you ask the same patient, when else you get this? Doctor, when I was in school, whenever our results has to come out, कि अभी result आने वाले हैं, अभी बस 15 मिनट नेट पे जाना है और देखना है मुझे कितने मार्क्स मिले. I need to go to toilet. समझो किसी का दोपहर को फोन आ गया, जनरली कोई कॉल नहीं करता, सब अपने अपने काम में बिजी रहते हैं, और दोपहर को किसी का फोन आ गया घर से, मेरे हार्ट बीट इतने बढ़ जाते, अरे कोई बुरी न्यूज तो नहीं रहेगी, मुझे टॉयलेट में भागना पड़ता है. तो व्हाट इज द कॉमनैलिटी व्हेन वी आस्क हिम? वो जो एक क्षण रहता है ना डॉक्टर साहब की, अब क्या होगा, दिस सिचुएशन, अब क्या होगा, अगला मोड क्या होगा, दैट इज एंटिसिपेशन. And all these remedies of Logana CA are very, very good remedies because their theme is anticipation. Because these are the people who always, have this idea कि अब क्या होने वाला है. And because of that, they go into shock. Why we get so much, jumbled up between these two family? Because both of them use this word shock. ऐसा लगता है बहुत शॉक लग गया, बहुत धक्का लग गया. लेकिन अम्बिलिक फेरे का धक्का इज ऑलवेज सडन. आपको उसका कुछ आपके दिमाग में ही नहीं, आप आपका मतलब पूरा हाँ एकदम अच्छे से जी रहे हो, सब अच्छा चल रहा है, एंड सडनली यू गेट अ फोन कॉल कि सो एंड सो पर्सन डाइड. अरे मैंने अभी तो उसको देखा था, अरे मॉर्निंग में इसको ग्रीट किया मैंने, गुड मॉर्निंग करके मर गया, ऐसे कैसे? सो वो नहीं है, ऐसे वाला मोमेंट नहीं कि अब क्या होगा, ये हो गया. एंड होने के बाद का जो आपको शॉक लगता है, दैट इज अनबिलीवेबल, अनएक्सपेक्टेड. यू आर कंप्लीटली टेकन फॉर अ राइड विदाउट हैविंग अ स्पेक ऑफ स्पेकुलेशन अबाउट. मैंने अपने वाइल्डेस्ट ऑफ इमेजिनेशन में कभी सोचा नहीं था डॉक्टर साहब कि ऐसा होगा, और वो हुआ. दैट इज अनबिलीवेबल. But in Logana CA, you will always find, कुछ तो होने वाला था और मुझे पता नहीं वो कैसे होगा, और तभी ना डॉक्टर साहब ऐसा लगता है ना कि बहुत बड़ा ऐसा शॉक लग गया, सरप्राइज हो गई मैं. That's why Dr. Phatak writes this so beautifully. Surprises aggravate, and what kind of? Unpleasant. And Gelston is a single remedy in that. Now what is surprise? Again, समथिंग विच इज अरे बाप रे, अभी इसके अंदर क्या होने वाला है. सरप्राइज क्या है डॉक्टर साहब? आई एम वेरी बैड विद द सरप्राइजेस. वन ऑफ द पेशेंट टोल्ड, मैं नहीं झेल सकती वो, मुझे नहीं पता चलता, मुझे मत दो सरप्राइज. शी यूज्ड टू टेल हर बॉयफ्रेंड, मुझे सरप्राइज मत दो, मुझे नहीं, मुझे ना जब भी तुम ऐसा कुछ लाते हो ना सामने, सरप्राइज पहचानो क्या होगा, आई गेट सो जिटरी एंड नर्वस. मेरे शरीर पूरा ढीला हो जाता है. I can't take that surprise. So you have a time to endure, to face that situation. वो situation एकदम आपके सामने आई नहीं है, आपको टाइम है, and in that time generally your nerves give way. That is Logana CA. And in Ambili Fere it is always that आ गया, कुछ तो बड़ा आ गया, अभी मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. That's why in Ambili Fere you will always find many harsh things like rape, like accidents.
Yes, lot of violence related things.
Lot of violence. And as against to that, in Logana CA many a times they will tell you these kind of incidences. Exam का result आने वाला था, या फिर किसी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया था और डॉक्टर ने बताया कि अगले 24 घंटे बहुत नाजुक रहेंगे. तो जब आपको वो एंड्योर करना है ना, टाइम, टेस्ट ऑफ टाइम जिसको बोलते हैं, दैट टाइम सिचुएशन रहता है. एंड दैट टाइम व्हेनेवर यू हैव दैट शॉकिंग, अरे बाप रे मैं तो एकदम शॉक में चली गई थी डॉक्टर साहब, पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, हैज अ टू रोड. ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है. बट इन अम्बिली ये हो चुका है, नाउ झेलो. दिस इज अ मेजर डिफरेंस इन क्लिनिकली. ये पेशेंट के लैंग्वेज में मिलेगा आपको. सो प्लीज डोंट लुक ओनली टू दैट वर्ड शॉक एंड गेट you shocked. You don't get shocked by that. Ask the patient, what do you mean by that, Baba? Yes. This is the, this is like a boon question, which we always thank Shekhar sir for this question. I didn't get you. मुझे नहीं समझा बाबा, समझाओ. Earlier we used to ask sir कैसा इतना कॉमन शब्द आपको पता नहीं? सर बोलते हैं मुझे पता है, लेकिन उसको क्या वो शब्द के बारे में बोलना है वो मुझे नहीं पता है. क्या जाता है मुझे पूछने के लिए? So to all the people over here, I really request, see, all these small, like, these are diamonds in clinical practice. But when and how these things come up is when you are asking right question with the right intention and with a inquisitive mind that I want to know this person. मुझे इसको जानना है. और ये एक कला है. शेखर सर का अभी जो recent book release हुआ है, The Art of Conversation, Connection, Conversation and Communication, is a masterpiece to acquire all this skill. हम पूरे स्किल वाले इंसान हैं, सब होम्योपैथ्स, और उनको सबको ये स्किल एक्वायर करना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि यही हमारी रोजी रोटी है, यही हमारी कला है, जिससे हम लोग हमें पहचानेंगे. So do read that book. If you still do not have that book in your hand, invest in it. You will never repent. It is like the book. It is like old wine. जितनी पुरानी होगी ना, जितनी बार आप उसको पढ़ोगे, उतना गहरे चीजें पाओगे उससे. It is as good like organon. कितने बार भी पढ़ते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा पहलू सामने आते हैं organon के.
Very true, very true. And I believe that Sir is one of the nicest and beautiful case takers. मतलब it's a feast to watch Sir taking case. It's always a treat to your ears to. मतलब मैं सोचती हूँ कि अरे कितना right question पूछा है. And since Sir has told this to me that question लिखो, many years ago, is that you have to improve your questioning, and उसके लिए आप लिखो और फिर सोचो कि ये पूछना चाहिए. मतलब once the case is done, obviously, but in next case you will be better in asking questions. This has really changed my life. So, I mean, most of us who are students of Sir or have attended any of his classes, we are very thankful to Sir for his teachings, and it's so beautiful. And like Dr. Priyanka said, वो जो book है ना, वो एकदम बाइबल होना चाहिए केस टेकिंग के लिए. It's so good. It's like old wine. Beautiful. Absolutely. And if you don't have it, please invest into it. It would be a great investment. Books वैसे भी कभी waste नहीं जाती. So the book is available on many cities with various platforms. At Homeopathy Junction also, अगर आपको बुक करना है, आपको चाहिए, तो आप सिर्फ एक DM करो, you will get it. Or you can DM directly to Dr. Priyanka or Swara Gurukul का page Facebook पे. But please get it and read it. It's really a gem. Beautiful book. और उसको कितनी भी बार पढ़ेंगे तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलना ही है. You will never get bored of it. It is a ever useful book. All time. Favorite.
Absolutely.
Yes. So thank you so much, Dr. Priyanka. It was such a pleasure to have you. और इतना सारा differentiation आपने इतना beautifully simple language में you explained with lot of examples. I'm really thankful, and everybody who has watched this, they are very grateful to you. मुझे किसी ने लिखा भी कि please save this video, so I will definitely save and share on both the pages. So you can go through again and again whenever you feel that you are stuck or you want to learn something new. I'm really grateful, Dr. Priyanka. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me. And this is actually, these are the things which we love as a homeopath to discuss. Whenever we meet, whenever we sit down with Sir, we love to take few remedies, take few cases, and just try to understand them in a deeper way. Not just superficially what is written, but how the patient have told, which type of example the patient have used. And this is what this is what we do at Swara Gurukul workshop. We have lot of such kind of sessions, after the debate case. We have a debate case in the afternoon, and during the evening times on the open lawn, we sit and discuss different, because each group, there are 6-7 members in each group, and they will tell their version of what the case is, how they have looked at that case. So we have five, six different understanding, and then we do the differentiation between each remedy. So it's like,
Yes.
you know, with the one case, you actually learn 10, 15 remedies. What is
Yes.
complementary, what is follow well, why this is there, why it is not there. So that's why the workshop kind of learning is always like, going to a live concert. The
Yes.
swag which is there when we are actually experiencing your idol performing live in front of you, rather than sitting at home and watching him perform on YouTube. Isn't it different?
True.
The nerves
Right.
that are tingling when you are standing, even though the place is small, there are so many people, but the vibe itself is different, because
Yes.
it's kind of a sensational experience. You both are sharing a common space, you both are sharing common air, you both are there in the real time. So I
Yes. Very true.
always invite all the people for the workshop that we conduct. The upcoming next workshop is in September, and it is again to our good luck on case taking. So those who are interested to learn these gems in a most dramatic and happening way from Shekhar sir, and of course all of us will be there as a team. Myself, Dr. Divya, Dr. Kirubashini, entire team will be there, and we all will be very happy to host you over there. So please do contact us. I have shared the number 7588539531. On that same number, you will get the details of book also and the workshop also. So
Yes.
thanks
Yes.
once again, Yamini ma'am, for having me. And I hope that we will meet often. We'll meet soon.
Definitely. We will definitely meet soon in person and also virtually. But my big virtual hug to you right now. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for sharing this wisdom with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, all of you, for watching, and have a good night. See you soon.
Good night. Good night.
Ma'am, shall I log out now?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
And also,
Bye.
I have a request to all of you who have watched and who joined this session. Please share your feedback. And even if you have any questions, you can just write down in the comment section. We will request Dr. Priyanka to write the explanation about them. And we
Sure.
will definitely ask her to come again on Homeopathy Talk and discuss few more remedies or few more topics maybe
I
later.
would love
So thank
to.
you so
I
much
would
for
love to.
joining.
Bye.
Please share
Good
your
night, all.
feedback. That would be really nice. Good night.
Bye.